Hello guys, today I'm going to make a Savonius wind turbine. So let's start. So we have to model a part. So select the part. I'm using PTC Creo Parametric 3.0. So let's start with this. So after clicking the new button, the dialog box appears like this, and we are going to make new part. So select the part option and select the solid. Name it. You have to name it like this. We have to use the underscore because space is an invalid character for the name in the Creo. So okay, let's start with this and make sure that you untick the use default template. Okay, now click OK button and select this option. This is the second last option, MMNS part solid. This is millimeter and seconds. Okay, so we will use this units. If you want to use another unit, you can use these and other units, MCAS or imperial system or LB inch or whatever you want to use. Okay, so my name is Humble, so I will model it. Model by Humble. Okay, wind turbine. You're going to make wind turbine, so whatever you want to add the description, you can add. Okay, I'll start with okay. Okay. So first of all, we have to select the plane we want to sketch on. So I will select this one. This one is Z and X axis on the Z and X axis. So select this plane and click sketch. And after clicking sketch, to get a simplified view, click on this button, sketch view. So you will have a coordinate system, like the coordinate system. This will appear like this. So let's start with our turbine. As we know that the turbine's dia is about 300 millimeter, we will create a circle of 300 millimeters. We will create it and we will make it 300 and it's 300. So click OK and extrude this at the thickness of 5 millimeter and click enter. Okay, now we have to sketch on this surface and click here. We have selected the surface. Now click the sketch button because you're creating sketch on this part. So click on sketch view to get simplified view. Now make another circle from this center and this is 250, we know that. Okay, now we have to create the curves of the turbine, blades of the turbine. So let's see how is it done. Click the arc, select the arc of 3 point slash tangent end. Okay, now choose the end point, choose any other point like this, and you are going to select the center, this line. So this is okay. This has been selected as the radius of 78. We have to select 75 radius. So we will select 75, enter. Now this arc, the blade arc is 75 of radius. Now we have to create this on this side. Select again, click here, click, click here, select the center from upward. Okay, now we have to select from here. Okay, sorry, this one. We have selected the center and okay. Now make this radius 75. Okay, so this is done. Now from now on, Now we have to make the thickness of these blades about 5 millimeter. So let's make 5 millimeter thick blades. We have to make one another line like this, another curve like this, and we have to join them. Let's see how it is done. We'll make a line of definitely 5 millimeter. Okay, 5, enter. Now let's make an arc, another arc like this. Select this. First of all, zoom out. Select this one and select from here. We have to also make 5 millimeter line. So let's select the line. Pick it. Make the 5 millimeter line. So this is line 1 and same as this dimension. Okay, this is 5 and this is called L1. Okay, so this is L1 and this is also L1. These are the same dimensions. Now let's make the arc. Now the arc, you have to select the arc of 3 point slash tangent and select this, click here and click here. So this is the arc we have made. Now this is the sketch. The sketch is complete. Now we can extrude this. Before making it extrude, we have to make the same like this here. Okay. Now let's do this again. Line L1, line L1. Make this 5 millimeter. Okay. Now make an arc and this one. This is the arc. So the sketch is complete. Now we have to click OK, and this is our sketch. Now we have to extrude it. How much we have to extrude it? Click on extrude. It will extrude it and select the dimension. We have to choose 217.5 millimeter. So type it here and click and enter and click OK. Now we have the blades 217.5 millimeter long. Okay, now we have this part and we have to make this one on this side either. Okay, see what to do now. Make a plane in the center. Okay, so this is our total dimension is about, this is 217 as you know. So we have to create the plane. The total distance is 217.5 plus 5 because the thickness of this is 5. So this plane and this plane in the midway will be half of the 222.5, which is 111.25. Okay, now we have shifted the plane further apart. Now this is the center of the whole object. Now we will select this and mirror it from here. Okay, now this is the finished thing. So now we have to mirror this one. So let's make these blades on the top of this surface at 90 degrees. So click on sketch and sketch view. So these blades are like this. We will make blades like this. Okay. Now let's sketch view and make the blades. First make circle of 250 degree, 250 diameter. Sorry, 250, and let's make the blades. Like arc of 3 point slash tangent and click here and click Okay, and select this as center. Now this is 75. Click enter. Now again arc from this side. Select this center. Now make this 75 dia also. Okay, now make the thickness which is 5. Let's make this 5 and make this line also here, which is 5. So now make line also here for this blade thickness, which is L1. We also made, and now make one another line here, which is also L, which should be 5. So this is the thickness. Now make the arc complete like this. So the thickness of blade has been made. Make another one. Click here, and okay. Now delete this circle because it is our reference circle. So this shape is made. The sketch is complete and then ready to extrude. Now click OK to complete the sketch and click on extrude. We have already selected the sketch so that it is extrude. Now we have to extrude it at 217.5 millimeter. Click enter. Click OK. Now this is made. These blades are at 90 degree to these blades. Okay. So now we have to make this on this. We will select this one and now we have to mirror from this one and click OK. So these blades are made. Now we have to make a shaft which will pass through the center of this whole shaft. Now we will make it from center because we have to extend it on both sides, on either this side and on this side. Now click sketch preview, make a circle of about 20 millimeter diameter. The diameter of the circle is 20. Click enter and okay. Sketch is complete of circle and we need to extrude it. How much? 500. Click enter and it is on one side, so make it on other side too. We have to select this option. So this is equally distributed on the both sides. Now click OK. And this is the complete Savonius turbine, and the this turbine will be mounted on the other. I'll show you with. So we will. This is the housing of that shaft. This shaft. This shaft will be fitted inside this one in these holes. Okay. So thanks for watching.